Hello you guys, it's Crystal. Welcome to the vlog. So before we get started, I want to show you guys what the office looks like because it would explain what our day is going to be today. So this is the bins. I cleaned it last night, so it's not too bad. Rearranged everything, but we got more bins. But we got boxes and boxes of new and old stuff, like pre-order stuff that we got to ship out. More boxes. But yeah, so that is our day for today, or even the next few days. We've got over 200 orders to pick and pack and ship out, so let's get into it. So the new collection for Chainsaw Man that we're doing, an ongoing collection, is Makima. So if you guys read it or anything and you like Makima, this is for you. We have a lot of fun colors that we are bringing out, and they're super limited edition, so if you like it, follow us on Instagram to see all the updates, countdowns, and whatever we show on there. That will give you quicker access probably. But we're not selling this color, but I want to show you guys the whole like artwork of the collection. So this is what Makima looks like in the front, and then the back. And then the sleeve, I don't know how to show. And then on the shirts, I think the whole thing, we have, you can't see, her eyes are actually gold. So that's fun. But now you see the artwork. These are the colors that we're actually releasing, which for the shirts are these three colors: white, plum, and strawberry milk is what we call it. More, it's like a rose coral color. And then for hoodie version, we have gray, which is what we call ash, and then baby pink. So yeah, that's our collection for October, and you know, let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys like what you see, then be sure to follow us.
Stronger. How strong is it?
Does anyone make a bigger mess while trying to clean up? Because I just did that. Well, I just organized some of these. I gotta reorganize. We have a very little space with a lot of boxes. So we'll see what I end up with. If you guys want to know what it's like trying to sort hundreds of inventory, this is what I look like half of the time in my office. So yeah, that is my struggle right now with a lot of things and the mess that I created. So, but I want to show you guys when we produce our collections, we have a bunch of colors that we sample, and look at the pile of things that we've been sampling. So if you guys like any of these colors and want this in a future collection, please let us know. Literally, this is chocolate brown. We have some yellow, more grays, I don't know what color this is, but yeah, this is what we have. And we might give them away on Instagram, so follow us. I am a hot mess right now because I've been cleaning, but look at our office. So all the boxes all cleaned up, but the floors are cleaned, desk, tables clean. So we are just getting ready to make another mess though, because our pre-orders are ready, so we're gonna do that in a little bit. But yeah. Hello, it's the next day, and yes, we did make a mess, but it's better. It's better. Everything's in a box, somehow. Anyways, we packaged everything, we shipped out everything. All of the packages are going out today, so if you've ordered from Sakuna like a month ago, sorry. And first years, we're shipping them out today. And if you guys missed out on those drops, we have extras, so they're on our site if you want to purchase. But yes, got some, let's see. We got some orders to pack and all of this to put away.